Hey everyone, Tiffany here, and today I want to give you the rundown on Lansinoh Nipple Cream. I'll show you what it looks like coming out of the tube here, and I want to tell you why I use it because it's not the main reason that people use this. This is the #1 recommended brand by doctors and moms for sore, achy nipples due to breastfeeding. But I was having a problem with my feet. I don't know about you, but over the last little while, I have not been going to get my regular pedicure nearly as often. And my feet are horrible, especially my heels. They are dry and cracked. And I was complaining to my dermatologist and she said, just get some lanolin. It's great. So I got this stuff right away and it is truly amazing. I've been dealing with my dry, cracked heels for a while now and nothing seemed to be working, but I put some of this on, I rubbed it into my heels, put socks on. I did this overnight while I was sleeping. It just took one day. I went for 2 to make a difference, but the difference was really dramatic. The cracks had really gone away. My feet were so much better. Now, I've heard lots of people rave about this product for other uses as well, for dry elbows or really dry skin anywhere. Some people really love this as a lip balm. I don't personally, just because it is a little bit sticky and my house always seems to be really cold, so it kind of takes a while to get it soft enough to go on my lips okay, but I love this for my feet. Now, lanolin is a 100% pure natural product, so you can feel good about using it. It actually comes from sheep. I didn't know this. I had to do some research on this. It's a natural ingredient that sheep produce to protect their wool, and it's got a really waxy feel to it. So after I use it for my feet, I don't really love how it feels on my hands afterwards. I have to really go and wash them with soap and water, but it works. It's an animal cruelty-free product, so I don't have to worry about that. It's 100% natural lanolin and an affordable price. If this video was helpful for you, give it a like and consider subscribing. I do all kinds of beauty reviews right here on this channel. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.